So hi fellow YouTubers, this is Amber. If you guys do not know who I am, I'm a plus size model, YouTuber, and entrepreneur. Today, I'm here in LA to apartment hunt. Stay tuned. You guys know I'm not from Los Angeles, so I work out here quite often. So I am here trying to see if there is apartments that I would really like to be in. I had to park in this parking lot over here. It's like $15 and the meter is not working, so I have to like literally wait for this lady of this apartment to come get me to direct me where I need to go. So basically, the guided tour has to be very like distant because of the coronavirus. A lot of the things that she has to show me, I can't really show you guys because they're not allowed to record a lot of stuff under construction. There's only gonna be bits and pieces that you guys can see, but I'm gonna try to show you guys as much as possible. Wow, look at this. So nice. So yeah, they have a gym over here. They have quite a few things over there. That's the gym. So you guys didn't get to see the gym and all the sights that I seen upstairs. It was like a quick little snippet, but you guys will see a little bit more here. She's gonna let me film a little bit more things. Yeah. So I'm up here by myself. So you guys, I think this would be great for a YouTube room. This is an extra room, and then this is the bathroom down here. And then it has a toilet that you can actually close off, which is a good thing because you know, that can be very germy with the toilet not being closed off. They do have a slider right here. And, oh yeah, I forgot to do a thumbnail. Alright, and then I'm gonna show you guys the other room. So this is the other room and it has 2 sinks. I like the fact that it has 2 sinks. And then it has closet space, 2 closet spaces right here. And yeah, so that's what this one looks like. So I'm just leaving out of the apartments right now. I'm going to my next apartment tour, which is called Thea at the Metropolitan or Metropolitan. I don't know. I couldn't see the whole word, but it's called Thea. And I'm here in downtown LA, so we'll see how that goes. I'm at the second place. I'm a little late, like 5 minutes, because I couldn't find this place. I don't know how to get up to the floor or whatever. But this place is probably a little bit more expensive than the other one. I don't know if this is the right one. So far, the people here are not as helpful like outside of here. I can't find this place anywhere, and I'm just walking around trying to find this place. I have no clue where it's at. I think I parked in the wrong spot, so I might have to pay for parking. But I think I found it. I'm not really sure, but it kind of sucks because I have to leave my car in that area that I'm not supposed to be at. So I think this is the place right here. Not sure. I think this is the place. Nope, that's not it either. Hi guys, so I am at my first room tour at Thea, and this is what it looks like. This is a nice little room here. It has a full kitchen, which I absolutely love this. It's really nice. It also has ceiling to floor windows, hardwood floors, and this is one of the rooms here. I'm assuming this is a master room. Wow, this is so nice. This is really, really nice. And I love the closet space. It's really big in here. And then this is more closet space. And also, this is another bathroom here. Another bathroom. And then this is a smaller room, which could be the YouTube room. So I really like this one for YouTube. This will be really, really dope. I just really like it. For YouTube, this is closet space in here. And that's pretty big. And more closet space. They told me that they needed me to wear gloves, also to prevent from touching a lot of the surfaces. Because of COVID-19, we have to be very careful about everything. They wanted me to keep my mask on, so I'm going to honor that. The apartment is really, really nice. I think that we should look at more apartments. I don't know if it's home yet. Now we have to go to the other ones. I like this one, but it's time to go to the other one. So we're gonna be in the next one right now because I can't record in the hallway. So I'm in this next one, and it's pretty nice. Let's check this out. Washer and dryer right there. I like that. It's in the bathroom. This is an open closet. It looks like a guest closet. It's pretty spacious. And wow. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is nice. Wow. Oh my gosh. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I want. This is by far the best walk-in closet. Wow. This is a walk-in closet, and man, this is amazing. They also have a bathroom in here. The tub is great. Nice lighting. Somebody did not turn off the lights when they finished looking at this. Oh my gosh. Y'all, this apartment is so dope. This is everything I always wanted. Look at this. You see the traffic down there. Oh, I can see myself living here. It is so flipping nice. Look at this. This one is a smaller room, which could be the YouTube room. Wow. Wow. This is amazing. This is amazing. Wow. And then they have the appliances. Dishwasher. Now these are brand new homes. The refrigerator. You can also see the Hollywood sign here. Look at the Hollywood sign. It's the Hollywood sign. So the next one is, this one is $225. Okay. So a nice bathtub. And this looks like one room. It looks like it has a patio. Let me put this down. You can't go out here, but it has a patio. That's the patio. But it's not open. Have a, looks like a closet here. And has another bathroom, same as all the other ones. It has a very small island. All the amenities in here. This is the refrigerator. This one is okay, but it's my least favorite. Has another door here that you can go outside. So that's that. But you can't go outside, I don't think. No, you can't. The floor plan is pretty small over here, but it does have a balcony. And then you go here, and it's very quaint in here. But it has like, this is the closet. I'm not so much liking this one so much. It does have another, well, it has washer and dryer, hookup. This one is not so much my style. I don't really like it that much. Yeah, I don't really like this as much. Yeah, I just really didn't like this one. I don't know why. It does have a very long balcony, but even still, I don't like it. So I have one more apartment to go to. These are brand new apartments. Nobody has ever lived in them before. So that's a really great thing. And I love that they have ceiling to floor windows. That's a really great thing about them. Yeah, so this is pretty nice and lit up. This is one of my kind of favorites. So you guys let me know which one you guys like the most. And thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you comment, rate, and subscribe.